All right. I'd say we're live. Yeah. Uh, well, we're back. Stream number 17. I'm Alex. This is somewhere around there is Chris and Quan. We're BK Game Devs. Yeah. Oh, yeah. I'm the one at the top. I got the long hair. Yeah, and we're doing indie music today, by the way. So we got Flume going in right now. Let me lower that for me, because. Right, and I guess, should we recap? Nice. Uh, yeah, let's try it out. I think this is it, right? Just gonna start them off right here. We are gonna do some, yeah, do some cheating right here. And normally you can see that these platforms wouldn't be you wouldn't be able to move or get to this platform here. They're meant to be moving in order for you to get there, and this as well. So here we'll trigger the switch. Platforms start moving. There starts a transition. We are now seeing the moving platforms, and then it goes back to the player control. Yeah. Uh, Thanks. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yeah, I believe so. Oh no. Oh, that's funny. Yeah. Is there a way to pop this out? All right. Yeah, you guys are gonna have to guide me on the what to add. Yeah, because I just went over there to look at the art. Uh, yeah. So section 2, right? Where we at the switch. Um. So essentially, we just want to duplicate this and add it over here, right? This is where it should go. Like here? One is supposed to go here, right? Okay. And so the one that deals with these platforms here, is that this one? Okay. Guys. Ah, nope. No. Here. What's the guy here? Okay. So this one up here is platform switch, right? Rename. Switch. And this one has okay. Does this one not also activate this? Yeah, right here. Oh, I see. Okay, I'm trying to remember. So it's like this. They go here. They go down here. They trigger this one. This triggers here, but also triggers the platforms. So this one isn't the platform switch. Okay, it's this one. Let's see here. Rename. Or I'm just gonna go by the order in which you're usually supposed to do them. And I don't know why. Okay. Switch one. This one switch two. That. This one's switch three. Yeah, just gonna do some of that. And switch one over here doesn't trigger the platforms. Switch two does. Okay. Switches. Triggered. Just create the game events for each switch. Switch 3 triggered. Switch 1 over here is looking at switch 1 triggered. Switch 2 should be looking at switch 2 triggered. Switch 3 be looking at switch 3 triggered. And I believe the moving platforms, all of them. Ew, camera pan target. Wait, camera pan target? So all of these should be on switch 2. Okay, I switched them. So now they should all be referring to on switch 2 here. So that's connected properly. Now we just have to make it so that section the thing is doing its thing, right? False wall. How do we do this? Okay. Table. Let's look at false wall real quick. So we can't just copy this right out, right? Oh, control. Okay, control D. And okay, so then I should just have to go to the tile palette, right? And just start erasing. And this should be listening to on switch 1 triggered. And it is looking at that. You have disable wall. All of that should be correct. We don't have to change its like. Oh no, it created a tile map for false wall. Let's rename this guy. False wall 1. False wall 1. 4 1. Yeah, okay. Okay, spelling. Uh, yeah. I think that should just work, right? And the code should still work, no problem, I think, ideally. Sorry. No, there is a false wall control. What's row count? Did I set Mortal Console 1? Yes, I did that just now. I created different events for each switch. So I don't know. I'm gonna, yeah. That lava shouldn't be deadly at the moment, right? Ah, section 1 was enabled, so it started me all the way over there. Let me not. Okay, so let's get the player. Let's just bring him up. Uh, it seemed like it didn't. I did hear the sound. It was weird though. False. No, well, they're disabled. Uh, oh, I see. Yeah, and I was forgetting something. Oh, that's weird. Okay, let me just set this back to that. And yeah, but the way it deleted it, it sounded weird. Maybe it'll be apparent when I try again. Whee! No, no, it did it like do. I think basically at the speed in which it just destroyed these. Yeah. I mean, did you see the speed? Oh, but there's only one row. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I do. So we have to modify this. Or, yeah. Okay. Yeah, it's all tiles. I sorry. I think I fixed it. Yeah, I just position y is always going to be different if it's a different row, right? And position y is an integer in this case. So I simply just you know use the nullable int. Just set it to null first. Uh, which should handle the first case, but it's pretty much if the last y is not equal to the current y, then that means we're on a whole new row. Then set it to the y and then play the sound. Otherwise, as you're on that row, the next column of the row, you're not going to it's going to still be the same y as the last y, so this won't play at all, and it'll just keep doing its thing. Uh, so we don't have to be concerned about row count in this case. It should work for the wall. Uh, so this is a weird thing. Let me see if this is what's causing it. Give me a second. Can you move your guys' heads or things? Okay, Chris, what about you? Are you moving? That's weird. Oh no. Let me see if I could okay, I had to reset that. That's what let me see if you're still going. Uh my head just goes down. Yes. Yeah, I think part of it is also because the Discord I minimized it as opposed to just went into a different window, so that could be a cause. Anyway, yeah, so this should work regardless of what, so we don't have to rely on this row count uh property here. Just gonna get rid of that. Sure. Hmm. Yeah, maybe I might see. I still have to figure out that whole thing with the sound. Boop boop. Yes, it works. Yeah, yeah. Goodbye. Okay, so that was that solves this issue. Oh, I thought you said something. That solves this issue, and right. So let me just do that and bring it downtown. 30? So just 30. Yeah, 30. I'm gonna call this false floor 2. Nope. Whoa. Yeah. Yeah. Ground tiles. Erase. Do. Uh. Hmm. No. Yeah. Hmm. Wait, sorry. When I zoom out, it's there. I don't know if you can see it. Oh, maybe if I disable and enable. Okay. I noticed that also fixes colliders. In when the colliders you still see weird remnant collider when you race. Enable or disable fixes that for some reason. Don't know why. So this should be yeah, on switch 2 trigger. Just gonna play it. Oh crap. Wow. Wrecked. Hold on, I think I can make it. Crap. Actually, let's just move start. Oh, just give me a moment, guys. Let me just check the weather. I mean, it depends. It's not as sunny outside. Well, oh yeah, sure. How's that? So, we about to do some acrobatics here. Let's see. I can actually still move now. Oh, two. Oh yeah. I forgot. All small. All small. No, I could see you, but that's fine. You're on camera. Let's see. Pulse floor. Oh no. Control D. Okay, now I just realized a problem that might come up. It is a 1 block wall, and we're going off of rows. So I wonder, you know what I mean? You know, I'm just gonna paint this one since we're already here. Is it this block? Oh, dark gray. Is it this one? Okay. And then I'm just gonna use. Yeah. Let me just switch this real quick. So on 3. Sorry, what are you talking about? Oh yes, 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 yes. Okay, and just make sure we are ground. We're switch 3, and yeah, it's gonna do a weird thing. we could just add a property, like something like play sound on column. But by default, it'll be on row. Um, so if we do public bool play sound on column, default is false, and if it's true, then we do last x instead of last y. So um, or just last, right? And if last is not equal to pos x y, x var current equal to um what did I call it again? Let me just type the word column. Play sound on column, right? If play sound on column, then we're gonna go with pos.x, otherwise pos.y. And yeah. So same code, just we just yeah. I mean this could be for anything really, but uh yeah, thank you. And that should only happen. Yeah, only did it once. Let me just make sure this one. It only did it once there too. Oh yeah. Uh, let's see. Yeah, I don't know where to go from there. Um, yeah, where was the is the flame supposed to be here? That's where the flame goes? Yeah. I mean, we could put the flame there for now. I see. First light. Lava kill zone section. Oh, the keyframe we never put into this actual sections. That's okay. Whatever. Uh, Technically, that's a pickup. Oh, I don't. Oh, you. It is not. Probably should be. Well, now it is. Just gonna duplicate it. I'm gonna delete this one. Gonna duplicate this. And I'm gonna put it over here. And we can just call it keyframe. Oh yeah. Yes, it does. I want to make sure something that the the keyframe here is on, like has all this stuff with it. Mm, mhm. Yeah, you could probably make it. Okay. Let me just make sure. This game is he? Yeah. Sorry. Game manager. Just want to make sure. Okay, yeah. So keyframe is resetting. I'm just gonna do a playthrough. That's what you guys are saying, right? Yeah. Ah, that thing, right? Totally forgot about that. All right, be careful. Uh, Oh, collider. Bowser's castle. I made that jump. Yeah. Yeah, yeah, I felt. Oh, oh, it's not moving me with it. Interesting. Okay. Ah. That should work, right? Uh. Okay. Sorry, lost my thought. What are we doing? Okay. Did you say you wanted to add another one over here? All right. Yeah, we did call it. We would call it. Yeah. Mm, so maybe it shouldn't be on trigger then. What if we do on? Mhm. And we just had a box collider. I guess that won't work. No, we can add box collider 2D. But it seems to be. Like on the I'd have to edit the bounds to sort of. Uh, Hmm. Okay. Oh, I didn't make it a trigger. Just trigger. Box collider. Okay. Set up. That's a 3. This trigger. Which I imagine that's what we would be doing. But is there a reason why we're doing trigger? All right. No, they both do. They both do one instance. Maybe if we okay with that, um, attach Unity. Doesn't seem to be going. Yeah, yeah. Oh, it doesn't even hit inside, is what I'm saying. Mm-mm. On trigger enter. So here, let's try this, right? On collision enter 2D. Let's see if it goes in here. Yeah, I was just gonna see first. In fact, we don't even have to make it moving to that out. Oh, did I not? I did not. Are you touched now? Attach. I didn't attach. Okay. Let's see. Yeah. I'm trying to see. It's triggered. I wonder if wait, which one is? Am I looking at the right one? No. This one already contains it. Static. Wait, let me actually try. Let me remove the box collider first. Let me see how that if that affects it at all. Remove. Still attach. Yes. Nothing. And it is coming into the code for update, so that makes sense. I wonder if it's because it's a composite. No, they're not. They're not. They're not tile maps at all. They're not tiles. No, they're not. I could just try to do this and see what that does. See if it even. No, I do not. I got rid of it just in case. Yeah. Uh, yeah, it still doesn't go to any one of these. I think maybe it's because it doesn't work well with the composite and like the literally it has to be in here or something. Okay. Yeah. Actually, do that. Yeah. Perform that function with until it has a. Okay. Well, let's see if this works by itself. And let me add the rigid body to you as well. Just there. Static. I think that's everything. And let's see if it oh yeah, I don't have the code right. Moving object. Ah, I don't think it matters. Yeah. Just so it doesn't break. On collision entity hits. It, I mean, I could look it up. Composite on trigger insert composite. Yeah, I think so. Or at least the one with the composite collider on it. Might be a good idea to mention your composite collider needs to be parent to all ground objects. That's what we're doing. I can open it. Accept all cookies? Yeah, I love cookies. Favorite. Oh, it's because that's right. Um, moving platform is ground. Hold on. And then let me see if I have to do this. Just change children. So if I set that layer to ground, that's what I did here. Maybe it'll do it. 3. Oh, I moved the platform. Uh, oh no, I didn't even realize. That's weird. Okay. Okay. They are all ground. Uh, what if I just add a rigid body 2D to it? And then make him static. Yeah, I see. Excuse me. Let me get rid of this one. Platform. So you're saying get rid of the composite collider? I just did. Sure. Yeah. Oh no, I think it's still might. Parent has the rigid body. I think that's what it does. Oops. No. Platform. Oh, it's here. No, it's not. Here. Oh, maybe that's why. The moving platform itself doesn't have the but we have no choice but to do it this way. Sure. Yeah. Well, the thing about moving, sorry, so we have platform on moving platform, right? That's the thing, though. The reason we put moving object over here is so that the reference to start and end isn't like to. Okay, I see what you're saying. Let's try it. This component is new, so we'll add it there. We'll remove it from here. Component. Events. Copy. Remove. We could add this here as well. Paste. And then which one was it? Set is active. Yeah. Okay. I mean, it was the issue. Yeah, but this should be the same. Right. On collision. Enter. I don't think that's how. I think that's. I think it's like this now. With collision. Yeah, it did. I, no, it made it a part of it. I can't jump anymore though. Or move. Oh, maybe it's because I'm using the wrong keys. Haha. Oh, that's weird. Oh no, yeah. For some reason, this spawns me over here. Don't know why. Um, Still there. Well then. Um, Apparently not. Okay. Uh, what did I just delete then before that? Okay. Uh, I deleted them. So that spawning thing is weird. Uh, is there a hard checkpoint here or something? By the way, if I'm just jumping, right? Okay, so jumping doesn't stop the timer from going down. It's moving left and right does. All right. Oh, right. Switch number 2. There, here you are. Hear ye, hear ye. Yeah, me too. Ah. But if I don't move, I die. Hmm. Yes. No, I mean, yeah, I think it won't take long to do it. I'm just curious as to what's causing it. Appreciate it. Oh, I see. That's why. Uh, that might be something we can adjust if you're on, if you're parented to a platform or something. Then, you know, you gotta, you don't listen to it. Oh yeah, I want to see what is going on here. Reset player. Hard checkpoint. Reset player. So this is where it's doing the raycast to see what's going on the floor. Okay. Like where the floor is and then spawn where you should be. Uh sure. Fine. Let's go here. See what that does. Okay. 201 negative 16.9. Yeah. Let me see our checkpoint. 201.2. Okay. So I'm gonna continue. And I'm gonna pause it. 201. And what was it? Negative 16.9. Negative 16.9. It was player spawn, but I think maybe it's because where the feet are. Player spawn, player spawn. Player spawn. Why am I drawing a blanket? Up here it is. Oh, yes. Wait, no, player spawn's all the way up here. How's heart check when I get it set? Oh. We could find out. Ah, look at that. Because hard checkpoint is being set by default to player.transform. Right. So it's not using player spawn at all. Yeah. Or at the very least. Yeah, no, it should be, but I'm just thinking uh yeah. Yeah, I just want to see if this works. Because again, it's not he's not even gonna hit here, and he's gonna start at section 1, so that shouldn't really be an issue. Oh, that's the sound of the music. Okay. What is that? Okay. Oh yeah, no, it should carry over into. Okay, look at that. That fix that little issue. It should carry over into the next section. We just have it off. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm starting to not feel this indie vibe. So let me just change it. Let's go for classical. Let's go. Okay, let's go back. I think. Yes, yes. Um, what should we add the door though? Add the door. That's the only hard checkpoint really that we have in here. Uh, switch. I'm just gonna put it very right here. Gonna move it. W? Is it not W? Why? No. I'm referring to the door. I'm referring to the door. I'm sorry. Why is it like this? Like the hard checkpoint. Is it like that over here too? Let me see this. Uh. Oh. Let's increase the size of this thing. Okay. What in? It's because like what's happening is it's putting the. It's like, see, that's what I'm saying. What is going on there? Like, hold on. Canvas is at disguise is at position 83. Okay. Okay. I don't know how to deal with this. Oh no. Okay. This should. Okay, because I have this thing. I have this thing on. So okay, there we go. Let's look at this again. This interact should be above it. Is that where it was? Okay. Maybe if I do this, I'll know. We interact. That pretty much matches. Okay, and if I turn me off, now. Okay, that was why. Because the two objects were so far apart. Now that I have that going, and I delete this guy, and I duplicate it again. Yeah, then I can move it properly. Not having to worry about. Door is supposed to be here, right? Oh, V? Ah, right. This is a door. Yeah. So if I get rid of canvas. Oh. I thought, well, we don't need the interact portion, right? Oh, okay, cool. No? Are you sure it's not selecting? No, no. Hold on. Let me. Yeah, let me. Yeah. Here's- Mm, I mean, I could try it. I believe I'm looking at Let me disable this one. Looking at the animator for it, and doing -1, and let me just make sure that this. Oh, wait. What do you mean it won't work? No, I mean it should. I should be able to. The way animators work. Yeah, I should be able to run it. Okay, I'm understanding now. This over here. Oh yeah, animation. Mm. Something. Flip it and reverse it. Something. Right. Yeah, yeah, that's the one. Well, I'm definitely gonna set this back to 1. Hmm. Google. Google. So animator versus Unity. Did we not just you just said -1 too? I'm pretty sure. You need to in order to change the direction of the animation. See how you via script multiplier. Actually, I should. Yeah, how can I play an animation backwards? There's no way to play it in reverse. Something that came with there's no only solution is to duplicate your clip and inside the animation or using the boss where you can reverse the second clip. Uh damn. Damn. Uh Oh damn. I hate when I see like really complicated solutions for like something like this. Your script is amazing. It is working fine. Such a useful function. Thank you. uh yeah. But you won't even take us five. What if we rename this to door open? Or rather we create a new transition, right? Yeah. Oh yeah, yeah. Sorry, you're right. You're correct. You're close. Yeah. Yeah. Hold on. Let me just change this to door close because I don't think it registered. Uh uh create new clip. Because I don't see this if there's a way to do it in reverse. Yeah. Uh no, but I'm doing that only because in here I'm pretty sure it's up to 6 seconds that it does this. And uh yeah, there you go. Yeah, that's what I mean, yeah. So I just wanted to make sure that this was the same in terms of its thing. And here, what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to, and I wish I could just swap them. So I guess so. Alright, this over here, this this over here. It's like a sort of some sort. And then let's take these guys and just shift them. We just did bubble sort. Yeah. Hold up. It's looping. That's what it is. Hold on. It's because it's looping. Or hold up. Let me just see what it looks like. And no, no. No. Sorry, that's open. Yeah, I've lost it. Here it is. Sure. Oh no, no, I did the wrong one. Eh, yeah, you're right. That's funny. 1 second. Oh, okay, no, I think I see what's going on here. Man, just copy. Let's get rid of these guys. Delete. Or close. Paste. See, now that I'm zooming out, and now that I'm zooming out, no. What? Sure. That is so weird. I don't like it. Oh, wrong one. Yep. There we go. Okay. Yeah, it is. It's just it's this thing is just playing. Hmm. Uh. Yes. Sort of, is it? Yeah, yeah, because the player sponsor, so it makes sense for it to be a hard checkpoint. Um, but yeah, I think it's fine for it to be a hard checkpoint. Basically, two hard checkpoints. One where the door for the next section. One, which is the door that came from the previous section, right? Uh, yeah. Yeah. I think using animation, wouldn't that work? And if I could, I don't know if that's something weird. I think there's a little warning that I had to deal with. Let me see. I think it also has to be in this sort of animation list. Well, it must be marked as legacy. The animation door close used by. But it is attached. It is. Yeah, it is. I'm not using animation animators on it. Where's where's that what is first light? First light, yeah. Should there be an animation on it? Oh no, there it is. There it is. Yeah, you see what you're doing there with first light. I noticed first light had is doing a thing, right? If we enable this section. Oh, it's not even playing the animation. Never was. All right. So I think uh delete. Mm-hmm. Sprites. No, well, we could just create an animator, but like specifically for closing door. You get what I'm saying? Yeah, or we can have it so that oh no, it's still a hard checkpoint, right? So say here we have let me see. So we hold on. I just want to make sure we're good to go on this thing. So we have sprites, right? We're gonna give it this guy by default, right? Um, we're not gonna worry about no box collider or nothing like that. Oh no, no, actually. Uh, it depends. If what if we go into the prefabs, right? And here we have hard checkpoint. Um, uh, which one? Which one is this one? Okay. Create a variant, and in the variant, um, we can get rid of all this stuff. Do we need the box collider for something? For example, we can get rid of canvas, right? Mm-hmm. We don't want checkpoint controller. We don't want to use it as a hard checkpoint. So do we? Well, player spawn isn't really doing anything. It's just a transform. You want to use okay, fine. Remove, remove. Uh, okay, I see what you're saying. So you know what? I see what you're saying. Let me go back to prefabs and get rid of this. And this is a variant. Got no more. Uh, here we're gonna do a prefab unpack. We're just gonna call it what? Spawn door. Whatever works. We're keep it at that. We're gonna get rid of its collider. We're gonna keep the animator. Get rid of the door controller on it. Um, and we somehow had to set this so that it's like closed by default. Or rather, idle can literally be closed. Hmm. It will not unless we have some sort of thing telling it, hey, close, or something like that. So I wonder if that means that we should be creating another animator specifically for close. So well, let's start with adding this checkpoint controller for player spawn on our checkpoint, and we have that at collider, correct? Is that how this works? Yeah, on trigger, a trigger collider. Um, collider, box collider 2D, and we're just gonna edit the bounds. Oops, 4. Bring it over. And hold on, player spawn, right? Player spawn. We're gonna edit the collider. We're gonna, I don't know, trigger. Make the size. How's that? Or, yeah, yeah. Just in case, just in case somehow for whatever reason the player ends up like losing all the health. We don't want it to spawn way, Yeah, and of course if he hits here, they'll spawn back here. But it's just in case. It's just for assurance. They don't cause a weird bug. That's kind of what I wanted to do there. Um, oh, not necessarily. So it's actually going to take to use the center. So it's actually going to, yeah, yeah. Then we won't have that weird issue. Okay, I think that's it for now for that part. Now if we go to hard checkpoint, I don't even know why this should be closed, right? Uh, prompt. Sorry, did I do something wrong here? I gotta do all this Control Z stuff. So annoying. Okay, no. Great. I think. Okay. Here's what we're gonna do. Where's hard checkpoint? Here. This is the animation. This is the platform. This is on switch trigger. Yeah, that's that stuff. On switch hard checkpoint prefab. I'm going to undo whatever I did to that. Okay, now it's back. Thank God. So I'm gonna keep one of these guys. Delete this guy. I hope. I wonder how far I went back. Sorry, guys. Door. Okay, I don't think it went back that far. I just want to make sure door controller is closed. This is closed as it should be. uh, Yeah, now we're gonna do that same thing that we just did. What was it that we did? Here, this guy. And basically use that same scale. Respond. Boom, boom, boom. The door here. It literally has nothing. We'll add the animator to it. We'll add this little door thing and figure that part out later. And on player spawn, the box collider 2D. This is its trigger. We're gonna make this 5. Make this 10. And then we're gonna add checkpoint. And then here we're gonna do on. Okay. So that should be fine now. This should be fine. That weird stuff is almost as if it never happened. In regards to the prefab messing around I just did. Thank God for source control. Yeah, so we have player spawn is now the hard checkpoint for player spawning, and of course hard checkpoint is now hard checkpoint this. Is that right? Could this be bigger? Okay, yeah, I think that's fine. Yeah. Okay. So what do we want to do next? Or do we want to end it here? Kill zones, lighting, and I don't know if you wanted these platforms to be moving as well. I don't remember if that was a thing. Um, oh, sure. I think when we figure out this whole door thing, we should probably create like a separate animator for door close. Just for it to just happen on default. Or we create a controller that how you say, we create a controller that seeks out, you know, whether the game has started again or the section started, and then that's when it closes. Yeah. Okay. I think that's it for now. Thanks for stopping by. Oh, I just saw it. Thank you. Possibly a new layout, but yeah, this was a first time showing our faces. I hope um, you weren't, you know, freaked out by that. uh, but yeah.